I have to start the thing. Alright, so we're filming. So officer, you said you want some vehicles, right?
Yeah.
Alright, come on. We're going outside. We're gonna do some vehicles. See all these cars that we got? Yeah. We got all sorts of cars if you need them. I could deal you this one for about $255,000. Would you like that?
I got V-Bucks.
Bro, you got them V-Bucks? Dude, they know right here. Bye.
My name is Officer Dan.
Yeah. Bro, look. Alright, so I got all these other cars. They're really cool. I'll give you a pack of 4 for $250. Yeah, 455 million V-Bucks.
I love you too.
And I would like a new skin as well from there. I know that's too much. Oh, we just are filming. But come on. So you want some weapons, boy? I can hook you up with them. That's that good weapon. Oh, we'll hold the door open for you. All right, come on in there. Most of these fire, so.
Do you see my cat?
Bruh, that my cat, he's my attack cat, you see? He really likes to hurt people. Here, dude, come on.
I want to touch him.
Bruh, come on. Don't touch him, he's gonna kill you.
Oh, yeah.
And here we got all these weapons. Sling fire, Glock with the laser sightings and stuff like that. That, an Uzi 9mm. A super awesome Lawbringer. Isn't that a grenade launcher? If you know your weapons. I would also want to show you something that's very illegal. Very illegal. This rocket launcher. This thing costs a lot more V-Bucks. This sweet cowboy pistol costs 250 more.
Are you sure
V-Bucks.
that it costs a lot?
I would charge you 100 V-Bucks for that. So come on over here. Got more V-Bucks. I don't think there's anyone in here.
Oh yeah.
What are you guys doing? Are you guys making a YouTube video?
Oh, jeez, I got a cough. So, these are our animatronics. Oh, jeez, I just changed my voice. Oh, God. I could give you some arcade games free. A Claw, and then over here we got Lefty. He's very creepy.
What's Molly doing in here?
Smacking people. Oh, Molly. Oh, that's my dog.
Come on.
She got a good butt. Let me smack it. Stop, Molly needs to get out.
Come on. I can introduce you to some of that Ryan, man. That Ryan. Hey, it's Ryan. So Ryan, how you doing today? Well, very well. Oh.
Daddy. Are you sure about that? Dad?
You taste good. He tastes good, doesn't he?
I know you want some of this.
All right. Ryan's had enough.
Show us information.
Alright, but we have an audience of 2 children watching this channel every day. Come on, let's go. Dude, I could get you that Fortnite on the Switch. Come on, I'll get you that Fortnite on the Switch, man. Hit you up with that Fortnite on that Switch. What you doing? Alright, so I can show you a pool if you guys want it. If you want it, at least I could get you a pool. Bro, there's a pool back here. Hey, is this one y'all dog too?
Hey, Frosty.
That one your dogs? See, my family's over here. They're having a party. Very cool. Definitely. Oh, man. Let's see, we got all this stuff here. We got a pool, camel floaty over there. So, would you like this house?
Yes.
Little taste bit in it.
Oh, yeah, that's good.
Bruh. Meet me downstairs.
Okay.
See you in a little while. I'll get the lotion.
Oh, you know. I'll see you.
Come on. Well, anyway.
I'll see you.
So, come on, let's go through here. Why's your dog back? Alright, so this is where we're gonna meet.
Oh, that's a good ball.
Oh, I'm ready. I'm ready for you.
What's getting wrong with the cat?
Hey, I'm ready for you.
Wait.
Where are you, Officer Dan? Oh, yeah. Hey, you finally caught up, didn't you? Yeet. Yeet. Would you like a new dance move on Fortnite? This is it.
Gentleman's dove. Look at my dog.
Spicy memes. Bruh, you such a meme.
Dad, bro.
Well, I'm just gonna go hang myself. See ya.